it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This is part 2 of my 2-week holiday card extravaganza. Last week we looked at 5 simple card solutions, and this week we're taking it up a notch with 5 dimensional holiday card ideas. So let's take a closer look. This first example is a gorgeous New Year's design. Technically, it's an event invitation rather than a holiday card, but it could be either one. This simple pop-up design features a beautiful spot gold foil only on the pop-up, plus metallic gold ink and a rich red. This is a glued double parallel fold, and the pop-up section is cut out of the top 2 panels and just scored and popped in the opposite direction. It's simple, dimensional, and so impactful. Next up is a favorite of mine. This super creative card idea is basically a gatefold with elaborate die cuts that slide together to make a dimensional little scene. In this case, it's a shimmery silver foil snowflake printed on specialty metallized paper. The center panel works like a picture frame that bows into a soft curve so that it can stand. It's so pretty. Last week I shared a stylish and simple holiday sample with a curved cover and silver and green foil. This is the same company and printer, different year, and I love this idea too. With a simple slide together of the 2 panels, you instantly create a dimensional holiday ice skating scene. I love how the little piece that extends from the right creates a focal point for the logo, and I think the silver foil was a really nice touch. Next up is a solution from my Designer Folds line at SmartPress. This is called a double swinger, and it's an open gate format with shaped die cuts that overlap. This format is perfect for holiday cards, and this holiday front door design is such a nice use of the rectangular cutouts. These stand really nicely too. My grand finale is a really cool card format called the Extendo Popup Cube. This is from Red Paper Plain, and you pull the little thumb tab at the bottom to launch a surprise pop-up dimensional cube. It's fun and totally unexpected. The cube can be a keepsake. This one holds a winter scene. It's really pretty. All of these dimensional designs are unique and interesting without going over the top on pricing, and I love how they each take their own shape on the table. They're also creative and fun. Well, I've now given you 10 great ideas for your holiday card, and you have several weeks of lead time to get it done, so I hope you'll take the opportunity to send something great at the holidays this year. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.